So we have seen array command, in which first one is rectangular array and second one is polar array. We have seen polar array. So actually, what I have shown, so how we can make use of, how we can make use of these commands. So while drawing 3D, so 2D is most important. So 2D is most important. So that's why it is we can take help of this, and we can further we can use these commands in further drafting. So that's why I have shown how it is important. Okay. So polar we have seen, then rectangular we have seen. So on the screen you might be observing, I have introduced the one of the slot to that gear as well. Okay, so something like this. So it is usually like this. Once you are going to practice it, it is very interesting. Once you will practice this on your own, maybe on your PC, or once it will be in our laboratory, CAD/CAM laboratory. So it is very easy. So which two types of array we have seen right now?
Rectangular and polar.
Polar and polar. Now third one is path array. So what is that? So suppose there is something like this. One polyline I have drawn here. Polyline. What is polyline? Something like this. Polyline. Okay, and here I have drawn one circle. Okay, so along this path I want to move the circle. So are you observing one line I have drawn? Instead of one line, number of lines I have drawn here, and one circle. So if what is shortcut of array? We have seen AR.
Enter.
AR enter. So object we have to select, then we have to select which array we want to go for and select the path. So by default, it will come something like this. Are you observing how many circles I have drawn initially? Right now, how many came in front of you? Only one I have drawn initially, but right now, how many it has came? Number of circles. You cannot easily measure also number of circles along that path. So by default, it will come. Afterwards, you can change its direction, etc. Filling angle, whatever you want, you can change. So initially, it will come these many. So afterwards, you can change that also. Okay, so that is array. Have you understood array?
Yes.
Next, three types of array we have seen. Next one is scale command. Scale shortcut is SC enter. What is scale command? Let us see what is scale. So I will draw here one circle of certain radius. Okay, then suppose I will give radius to it. So dimension radius I will give. So like this. Okay, so what is the radius of this circle?
20.
20. So now shortcut of scale command means either we can enlarge or make it smaller. So shortcut is SC enter. Okay, so SC enter, select object, enter. About which point you want to enlarge this object. So one point I will select, I will enter as a scale factor. It is asking right now scale factor. So 1.5. So it is one. What is radius? How much radius it has become?
30.
30. How much initially I have drawn? Radius?
20.
How much scale factor I have given?
1.5.
1.5 means this object, original object is become 1.5 times. Original object has become 1.5 times of the whatever initially we have drawn. Suppose this 30 I want to make it 15 half. How much scale factor I have to give? किती द्यावं लागेल मला स्केल फॅक्टर? मला आता किती करायचं याला? 15 रेडियसचं सर्कल करायचं आहे याची 30. So I want to make it as a 15. How much radius I should make it, or how much scale factor I should give it?
-2.
Minus. In short, I will ask by which factor we should multiple to 30 so that it will become 15. 30 ला कितीने गुणायला पाहिजे, मल्टिपल करायला पाहिजे की त्याचं 15 आन्सर येईल?
0.5.
1/2. 0.2.
0.2.
0.5.
0.5.
0.5.
0.5. So it is most important. So SC enter. Okay, select object, enter. About which point you want to make it small. Let us select center. Now scale factor. It is asking scale factor. So how much we should enter?
0.5.
0.5.
So I have entered 0.5. Are you observing? Scale factor 0.5. Enter. Okay, how much radius now it is showing?
15.
15.
15. So likewise scale factor. So somebody has given answer as minus something. So their size should not be minus. एखादी size ही minus असते का? Something like that. Our weight is not minus. Something like this. So scale factor cannot be a minus. So minus. So it is less than 1, 0 point something, whatever. But it is not a minus. So scale we have seen. What is shortcut of scale command?
Yes, C enter.
Yes, C enter. Now let us go next. So this offset over, rotate over, scale. Now two important commands we will see. One is chamfer and fillet. Chamfer and fillet. So I will show the very chamfer here. Are you observing chamfer? I have highlighted that. CHAMPR.
Yes, sir.
Chamfer, and below, immediately below that, what is that?
Fillet.
Fillet.
Chamfer and fillet. So you can write in your notebook what is this chamfer and fillet. Now let us see what is this chamfer and fillet. Okay, so these two commands, I will draw one rectangle here. So its dimension, let us take, I will take 50-50. So one rectangle I have drawn, square I have drawn actually here of 50 side. Okay, for this square I will make here. Now what is this? So initially there was one square, I have copied that square here. Now its sharp edge I am going to make it smooth. Edges आहेत, corner I will say. How this corner is? A corner highlight केला. Is it sharp or smooth? Corner
Sharp.
It is a sharp. That sharp corner, when we want to make it smooth, this chamfer and fillet commands are used. Very important. Why fillet and chamfer commands are used? To make sharp corners into, to convert sharp corner into smooth corner. Now first let us see now fillet. I will tell first the fillet. So FILL. Shortcut is, you have to type as it is. There is no shortcut something. So fillet, you have to type fillet. It will ask. So once fillet you have typed, instead of what it is asking, you have to type R, enter. R for radius. Type R. R for radius. R, enter. Select fillet radius. Suppose you are going to select as a 5 as a radius. 5, enter. Select first line. Select second line. What it has happened here? Guys, allow with the. Are you observing change?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What change has happened here? Sharp corner is converted into
Smooth.
smooth corner. And how much radius we have given here?
5.
How much we have given?
5.
5. Similarly, now concentrate on this sharp corner. This sharp corner. Okay. Now what I will change? I will make change here. That also you have to. Now I will use chamfer command. So chamfer. Type chamfer. There is no shortcut. Either you can type CHA or directly chamfer. So here it is shown. Actually here 1 and 2. How that sharp corner is converted into smooth. That it is shown. So type chamfer. What input we have given after typing fillet? Radius we have given input. So in case of chamfer, we have to give distance as the input. So D, enter. D for distance. We have typed R, enter in case of fillet. So here you have to type D, enter in case of chamfer. D, enter. Distance, enter. So let us, I will type one distance as 10, another distance as 8. Okay, one distance I have given 10, another I have given the first distance, second distance. So what change you are observing right now? whether sharp corner is converted into smooth.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So two distances we have given, two distances. So which are they? Maybe something like this. Distance. How much distance we have given in case of first? आपण पहिल्यांदा किती एंटर केलं होतं? 10, no? So first distance
Yes,
will be, and second one is how much?
8.
8, something like this. So this is called fillet and chamfer. So this is called fillet and chamfer. Okay, so smooth edge. To have a smooth edge, this particular chamfer and fillet is used. Okay, so what input is required for fillet?
Radius.
And what input is required for chamfer?
Distance.
How many times we have to enter radius while giving fillet?
1.
Only one.
How many times we should enter distance while using?
2 times.
2 times. Very good. So it is there like this. Then most important, next command is mirror command. Mirror. So what is mirror? Maybe in your primary education, maybe you might have solved some scholarship exams where you were supposed to find the mirror image of the given image, water image of given image, etc. What is mirror? Mirror image. Maybe something like this. One object is I have drawn something like this. Are you observing on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is mirror? So shortcut is MI enter. MI enter. Okay, so it is coming mirror. Are you observing mirror?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so mirror, enter, select object, enter, select mirror line. Anywhere you can select mirror line. So I will select mirror here. Means mirror is kept something like this. Okay. दिसतंय का बघा स्क्रीन वरती one dotted yellow colored line as a mirror. So object will form something like this mirror. It will be something like this mirror. So actually, initially how one object only I have drawn initially, but right now how many objects are there?
2.
It is again symmetrical. So here I will add something. So here circle. So to remember how mirror image coming for that purpose, something like this. I have added 2 circles. Now I will take mirror of both. So MI enter, shortcut, select object, enter, then mirror, something like this. Are you observing on the screen again?
Yes, sir.
Again, for both this, again little change I will make here. Little change. Again I will make mirror of these two. MI enter. How many objects are there on the screen? Something like this. So this is mirror command. This is called mirror command. So many more objects. Only initially I have drawn this much part. Then I have introduced one by one by taking mirror line. By taking mirror line, number of objects I have drawn. Are you getting? Likewise, you can draw number of objects. Okay, next one. Okay, next. Next one is what? Mirror. Have you understood mirror?
Yes, sir.
Then important commands we will see. Scale also. Next one is trim. Most important. Trim and delete or erase. Trim and delete or erase. Trim. Trim. Trim means to cut. Trim means to cut. So most important command. So I will draw one object first. What you are observing on the screen?
Circle.
Circle.
Circle and only circle.
Straight line.
Circle and one horizontal line I have drawn through the center. Okay, circle and one horizontal line. Circle and one horizontal line I have drawn. Now, now if you will see, whatever circle and one horizontal line I have drawn through the center, I want to remove. What is my task now, or what I want? I want to delete or I want to remove only the line which is inside the circle. That is my target. Whatever line is there outside the circle, I want to retain it as it is. But I want to remove the line which is there inside the circle. That I want to remove. So if I will try by erase command or by delete command, if I will click on that line and if I will delete, so what is happening? काय होतंय? Total line is going. येते का लक्षात? Total line is going. But what is my aim? माझं aim काय आहे याच्यामध्ये? I want to remove the line which is inside the circle. So in that case, when delete is not working, in that case, what we have to use? Trim. So just here now, trim shortcut is TR enter. Shortcut is TR enter. So TR double enter, not only enter, double enter, TR double enter, and click inside. Click it. So that line will go. गेली का line ती? Something like this. So what is when delete will not work, trim will work. That's why these two commands are called as complementary command. Why? Now see here, the one of the line I want to delete. Maybe suppose right hand side, the line which is towards right hand side of the circle. So this particular line I want to remove, highlighted line. So whether I want, I have to use trim or delete. मला ट्रिम यूज करावं लागेल का डिलीट? इकडचं मला रिमूव्ह करायचं. So here trim and delete are called delete. So simply you can select and delete. No, मी सिलेक्ट करून डिलीट करू शकतो. आता ट्रिमची काही गरज नाही. Why? Similarly here, what is meaning of complementary means what? In Marathi, what you are knowing this word as complementary? Complementary. What does it mean by complementary? Complementary means पूरक. Either one will work definitely. येते का लक्षात? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Circle. Again. Here I have drawn circle initially. So only this much part. म्हणजे आपण एखादं फुलं काढतो बघा, तेवढी मला पाकळी ठेवायची आहे. So what I have to do? I will highlight that so that you will instead of this. something. This only I want to write. Only inside part I want to retain. Are you observing? Remaining I want to remove. What I have to do? The outside I have to trim.
Trim.
This one also I have to trim. This one I have to trim. This, this I want to trim. Remaining all I want to trim. Okay, so again this inside tr double enter trim. Now this only one it is selected. Lecture का नाम बोला है So again now something like this I have used the trim. So I want to make it multiple times along the periphery of circle. Which command I should use? This particular part, highlighted part, I want to make along the periphery of the circle. Which command I should use? कुठला command आहे? One object multiple times. Which command we should use?
Copy.
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 No, along the periphery of circle.
Polar
array.
Polar array I have to use. So array, select object, enter, polar array. About this point I want to make it multiple. So something like this. It will go something like this. Array. And finally, suppose you want to trim some part, you can trim or you can delete also. No issue. So you can delete also. Something like this you can delete. So, okay. If at all, again you can use line. Many more drawings are there. So it is not technical drawing, but still it is not technical. Something like this. Something like this. Let us see. Line come, something like this. You can draw. Many more things, drawings are there. So to with the beginning, many more such drawings you can draw. Okay, so now one of the few drawings we will see here. I will share the screen. Just see. Are you observing new screen? Or same screen you are observing?
Same.
Okay, such many more drawings are there. Such so 2D drawings. So such drawings you can draw. So choice is yours. So you can take. You can tell which one drawing we will see. पहिल्यापासून drawing दाखवतो. From the first we will see. Many more drawings are there. So in your higher classes you will practice. So as a part we will see any one of the drawing. कुठलं drawing तुम्हाला पाहिजे सांगा यातलं एक काढून दाखव. Any one. So 2 number, 3 number, 4, 5, 6. तुम्हाला कुठलं वाटतं interesting that you can tell. Something like only it will take little time. Something like this. All drawings are there, but it is time consuming. Okay. Such lot many drawings are there. So such drawings you can draw in your 2D. So gear we have seen. So I have drawn this gear. You might be knowing. So quickly I have drawn in one of the while showing array command something. Many more drawing, but it will take more time. Such drawings are there. Okay. So with the beginning in your simple drawing we will take. So let us take first only, not to go more depth. First only we will see simple one. So time is very less with us. So first drawing we will see. What is its overall horizontal and vertical dimension? First drawing.
28 and 16.
Huh? How much it is? 28 and
16.
16. 28 and 16. Now there is, just check. Same you are observing on the screen. Because we have to go in there. So just see. So horizontal 28, vertical 16. Then there is one slot. We will see here. There is one slot. How much that slot is having depth? Vertical depth is how much for that
4.
slot?
4.
4. Okay. And one more thing. Its width is how much? Or length we can say. Length of that slot.
8.
8. Depth 4, length 8. And how much circles are there? 2 circles from each end. 2 circles from each end. This drawing we will see. 2 circles from each end. Okay. So this drawing we will see here. How to draw it. Okay. So first what we have to do? We have to draw a rectangle. How many inputs are required to draw a rectangle?
2.
2. First one is horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
Horizontal. And second one is
Vertical.
This is our rectangle. First rectangle is there. Next one. What is there? There is a slot at the middle. How much its depth is there from the middle? So it will show its middle point. Immediately we have to take its middle point. How much depth is there?
4.
4.
4. So that 4 depth you can take. Now from this point, how much we should move towards right hand side? 4.
4.
4. Okay, that, and you can take here. Again from this, how much we should move towards the right hand side? 4. Again you can take. Now here, this whatever here you want to show groove. So that how you can show? So this particular line, whatever line there, inside line you want to remove. How it can be removed?
Trim.
Whether we can use delete command here. So if I will click on that line,
No. So
what will happen? What will happen? Total rectangle will go. So here delete command is not working. Means which command we should use?
Trim.
Trim. So what is shortcut for trim?
TR double enter.
Trim, how we can use? And from this you can do 6 additions. 6. And here you can draw circle of radius. How much it is? You can check. How much it is? Radius 3. You can take linear, horizontal, vertical. How much it is vertical distance? 16. So likewise, so how much this distance is? 6. How much distance? This 6. Something like this. many more dimensions you can do. So are you observing? So likewise, you can complete any drawing. So how many toolbars are used while completing this particular drawing? 2D drawing. Firstly, what we have did?
Rectangle.
No. Before that, how many toolbars we have used? Toolbar. एखादं ड्रॉइंग काढायचं असेल, what I have told initially. Initially काय सांगितलं होतं मी? To draw any 2D drawing, how many toolbars are required? 2D drawing?
3.
Which are they? 3. Which are they? Draw toolbar, again
modify
toolbar,
dimension.
and dimension. Whether we have used the 3 toolbars here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
काय काय आपण ड्रॉ मध्ये कुठल्या कमांड वापरल्या? ड्रॉ पहिल्यांदा काय काढलं होतं मी?
Rectangle.
रेक्टेंगल कमांड ही ड्रॉ मध्ये येते का मॉडिफाय मध्ये येते?
Draw.
इट इज कमिंग इन ड्रॉ. अगेन लाईन कमांड वी हॅव ड्रॉन. लाईन कशामध्ये येते?
Draw.
अजून सर्कल काढलं, सर्कल कशामध्ये येतं?
Draw.
इवन इट इज कमिंग इन ड्रॉ. लाईकवाइज वी हॅव यूज्ड ड्रॉ टूलबार. मॉडिफाय कमांड मधील आपण काय काय यूज केलं इथं? मॉडिफाय,
Trim.
very good. Trim command we have used from the modify command. And in dimensioning, which type of dimensions we can give? So that is remained actually. So which type of dimension? Only 2 to 3 types are there. One is linear, another one is aligned. One is linear, means horizontal and vertical. Whenever we want to give horizontal and vertical dimension, linear is used. And apart from that, I want to give dimension to this, suppose inclined. So we can use aligned dimensioning. So likewise, aligned. It is 6. How much? I want to show its depth. Depth is vertical. So whether I have to use aligned or linear?
Linear.
Okay. So whenever you want to show its depth, you should use linear. So likewise, you can use. So depth is 4. So already we have drawn it as a 4. Okay. After that, depth, linear, aligned, then radius and diameter. Also you can show. So here R30. Either you can use radius or diameter. So likewise. So its radius is 3, means its diameter is 6. Okay. And finally arc and angle also you can show. Angular dimension, angular. Whatever dimension you want, you can select from this. So first one is linear, aligned, most important. Arc length. Whenever there is arc with you, you can see its arc. So that radius, only diameter. Remaining are not that way. It is important. Suppose you want to give radius, angle. You want to give suppose angle. So this angle something like this, 90 degree. So these things are something like this. Okay, so 2D. So are you understood what is this 2D drawing? So is it necessary to show some other, or shall I show some other drawing, or is it okay? Shall I show quickly one more drawing?
Yes, sir.
Actually, this such I will show which drawing. Drawing number 2. See drawing number 2 now. Here it is a drawing number 2. Are you observing drawing number 2?
Yes,
काढावं लागेल बघा क्विकली. आता क्विकली हे कसं काढायचं सांग थोडक्यामध्ये. काढता येईल का बघा. भरपूर गोष्टी आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. एक सर्कल काढणार हे सेमी सर्कल. व्हॉट विल बी द रेडियस ऑफ दॅट सेमी सर्कल?
30.
30. After that, distance between two. Before that, what we will do? This 100 dimension we will concentrate. This particular 100. आपण 100 पहिल्यांदा काढू. Rectangle of 100 and what will be its vertical dimension? 100 by 60. 100 by 60. 100 by 60. Now that it will not remain in front of you. So I will draw that. Rectangle 100 tab 60. So this will be the rectangle. This rectangle. Then here you can draw one circle, something like this. Now that inside circle I want to remove. What I have to do?
Trim.
We have to trim. Then this we have to remove. Again this we have to remove. Now this drawing will not remain in front of you. Then here there is one circle of 18. Here circle 18, radius 18. Likewise circle is there. Okay. After that 35. From here you have to go 35. 30, and here it will meet. Now the length which is outside you can trim it like this. So same part I want to draw below. Same particular part. Even these two lines I want to draw below. So I can take help of some other command from modify. Which will be that command? मला same खाली काढायचा आहे by using symmetry. Which command I should use?
Mirror.
Very good. Mirror. I can take help of mirror. So mirror. So select these two lines. Enter from the center. Immediately that will form mirror. Likewise. Now unwanted part you can remove. Means
Trim.
something like this. Trim. This one trim. Something like this. Now, so drawing is will not remain in front of you. Now, at one of the corner. There is radius. So here there is a radius of 12 at this corner. Which command we should use? There is a radius of. Very good. Fillet. So what input is required to go for fillet? Radius or distance?
R12.
R enter. R12. Give a radius. So it will like this. It is like this. So it is forming like this. So again, I request join the lecture immediately. After this, it will get end. So that we will complete this. 3D we are going to see 3D and isometric. So we will take break of 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will start.
Yes.
Or shall we start immediately? We will take break for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will start. Okay. Whether it will be